Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are coloring alphabets A to Z. First we are using and mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we using blue color. And first we coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of blue. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for goat, G for gorilla. The next one is H. H for hand. The next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. Now we are coloring the alphabet of K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mangoes. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Red color. Kids, now we are using the color of red. The next O. O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. P for parrot, P for penguin. And the next one is Q. Q for queen, Q for. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, now we are coloring the alphabet of T. T for tiger, T for teacher. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. And the next one is X. Y. The last one is Z. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.